Hey, so what's up YouTube? So today we are gonna do unboxing and review of this 10,000 mAh Ambrane power bank that costed me only 600 rupees. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's quickly unbox our power bank. Inside the box you will get the power bank itself and some manual, user manual and some cards. And the main thing of this power bank is that the flashlight of this power bank, and you will also get a micro USB cable to charge the power bank. It has 3 USB output and 1 micro USB input. The specialty I have already told you, the 4 LED lights that are very bright in the light. If you want to turn it on, you just have to double tap on that top side button and it will be turned on, and if you want to turn off, you have to double tap that button again to turn off. The build quality of this power bank is very good for the price of 600 rupees. It has some textured feeling over it. It is very grippy. So, and this is the button to check the capacity of the how many percentage of the battery has left. It has 10,000 mAh battery, 5 watt 2 amp output and 2 watt input. It can easily fit in your pocket, and this is a magic. Hi, this is micro USB cable. Quality is also decent for the price. So this was the pretty much the review of this power bank. So if you like our video, be sure to like, share, comment, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I'm Mr. signing out till have a great day. Bye now.